So it's Sunday and we are gathered here today to discuss our newest venture of MiniTruck Sunday. This is a 1988 Blazer, S10 Blazer, because it has got to be a mini truck. And we're going to do something different with this than we would normally do with a mini truck. We're going to race it. It fell off.
So we got to kind of a stopping point with the three mini trucks where they were kind of, I don't know.
They're played out.
Played out. Jake sold his.
It's in California.
I'm still working on mine, but we wanted to go forward with another build, and instead of trying to do 3 builds, which was probably a bad idea on our part.
My name is Jason Payne. This is Jennifer Shropshire and my son Jordan Payne. And we came here to bring our 88 Blazer. We needed the frame for a rebuild for a 54 Henry J, and he bought the body from us.
If we need to undo stuff, we need to know what we can cut, what we can't.
You want to check?
No, I don't want to okay.
Like the master cylinder, we'll leave you with the master cylinder. That way there's no brake fluid on the floor. That'll stay. If you want the booster, we can pull the booster off if need be after the body comes off. Other than that, I mean, it's just gonna be easier to cut those AC lines if need be.
Flop it around. Hey, like that.
What are we trying to do?
We're making waterfalls and the weekend's not even planned.
Go, chasing waterfalls.
Who's doing this?
That was me. You should be proud, Dad.
Hey, stop calling me that. These people are actually gonna think I'm your father.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I thought Jeremy was here.
He's actually old enough to be my dad.
Is he?
Ready? Are we ready to go up?
I'm 35.
Well, I mean,
You never know.
you got all the body bolts and
Hey,
right?
if you're 35, that means I banged your mom when you were 2. When I was 2, I mean.
Do we need to go into the body? Ready to lift the body off?
No, we still got to get shift cable and stuff. Make sure there's no exhaust hanger strapped to the body, you know. Yeah, probably. Where's number on? That's a old 97. 81, 97. 81. Oh, that's not good. There's no 81 weeks. Maybe that's a day.
We're separating the body from the frame, and then the people we're buying it from are keeping the frame because we're gonna build our own frame.
Technically, the radiator can stay if we can maneuver it around. The radiator can stay with the frame.
Try. So go back down?
Yes. Go back down and go under the body.
Okay.
We're under half an hour.
Give or take some, we don't know exact time, do we?
Yeah, it was 11:03. I feel like there's room for.
It was 11:10, right? Hey, if we bring you the top part of the cart, can you just put that on there? Right?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. It's gonna cost a little more than $300.
Accurate.
Double.
An hour wasn't too bad, right?
No, not bad at all.
$300 for the body?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And you do have a title for me, huh?
Yep.
So we can actually drive this thing on the street maybe when we're done?
Yep.
There's 3. Thank you,
go.
sir.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for the transaction. Appreciate
you.
you. Sorry to keep you waiting so long.
Yep. Yep, all 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I have an idea, Jake.
Oh, we're at 3-wheel for a second. I think we're seeing the way under the back tires. This body is.
It's extremely dark on this side of the shop. Well, I guess that light's out right there.
Oh, I'll get it on.
Look at this bed floating up in the air.
We want to make it do something purpose, not just we want it to have a purpose, not just another mini truck. So we decided we'll go drag racing with this one. So decided on a first gen Blazer, and here we go.
Yeah, we all kind of agreed on the Blazer of what we wanted to do. But one of the things that we got to do, one of the stipulations that we want to do is at least run a 999. We want to be able to pull the front wheels off the ground, and we want it to stay on air. It's got to be on air.
So what's the next step? What are we doing next?
Well, here's the deal. We're going to be getting lots of help from our guys, our neighbors across the street, X-Power Racing Engines. So we're going to go cheap, turbo, follow braking procedures, and we're going to try not to hang a rod out the side of the block, but it's probably going to happen.
So you never answered my question. What do we do next?
What do we do? We're sticking to 10.5s, aren't we?
No, we're Mickey Thompson the or what do you call them?
I'm game for that. Well, like you said we wanted to go 10.5s because all right, whatever.
So the frame rails are going to be like this far apart?
It's going to be a full tube chassis. We're not running anything S10 related underneath it. We're going to cut the whole floor out of this thing and full tube, front to rear. It's basically kind of going to be a pro mod type of style, but we're not out there for any rules or anything. We're just personal goals.
Plan on solid mounting the motor, trans, going fast.
4-link.
I normally say go fast, turn left, but we don't want to do that. We just want to go fast. America. Everyone's gonna wonder who that is off camera.
Would you quit?
Yeah, that stops it all the time. Okay.
Oh, goodness gracious. We just ate lunch and I feel like the camera added 23 pounds.
19, COVID-19 pounds.
You're done.
All right, ready?
Wait.
That's my pole holder.
It looks like
It's my grip.